So we get this 3-in-1. It's a USB-C card reader. And if you're like me and you have a lot of old SD cards or things stored away like on a thumb drive or something, then this is great for being able to transfer them from one place to the other. I have a lot of stuff on my computer, or I have stuff on like the thumb drives that I want to take and put on my computer. So you can do it either way, which is super nice. This, as you can see on the bottom, I don't know if you can see, but it has like 3 different areas here. So this would be like if you had like a, your thumb drive, you could just, you plug it in here. And then if you have like a SD card, it would go here in your bigger slot. And I don't know if you can see, but right above that is the mini. I don't have a mini to show you, but it's just like this, but smaller, and goes in there. So whichever one you have. And what I will say is it's super easy to just plug it in. And then what I do is I plug this in. This is a USB-C, so I just plug it into my computer. This does work well with like Chromebooks. It works with, your phone, different types of phones. If you have like a iPad or something like that, you can use them many different ways. And then what I found is like when I'm transferring information, it's super fast. Like if I have like a ton of pictures and I'm trying to download them, it works really good. Videos, if you have like old documents or anything like that, you just plug it in. So whatever you're trying to use it for, it just works pretty much on all of those. And it's just nice to keep them, because if you've got those SD cards laying around and you want to put them so you can view them on your computer, or the other way around, it works either way. So highly recommend it if you're wanting one. I found it being efficient and fast both.